Ready to discover over 50 unique root vegetables from around the world? Stay tuned as we explore some common and exotic ones you may not have heard of. Carrot. Carrot. Potato. Potato. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. Beetroot. Beetroot. Radish. Radish. Turnip. Turnip. Parsnip. Parsnip. Cassava. Cassava. Yam. Yam. Taro. Taro. Daikon. Daikon. Jerusalem artichoke. Jerusalem artichoke. Rutabaga. Rutabaga. Celeriac. Celeriac. Salsify. Salsify. Horseradish. Horseradish. Ginger. Ginger. Turmeric. Turmeric. Jicama. Jicama. Lotus root. Lotus root. Burdock root. Burdock root. Arrowroot. Arrowroot. Kohlrabi. Kohlrabi. Galangal. Galangal. Wasabi. Wasabi. Chicory root. Chicory root. Yucca. Yucca. Aluco. Aluco. OCA. OCA. Yautia. Yautia. Malanga. Malanga. Water chestnut. Water chestnut. Tiger nut. Tiger nut. Elephant foot yam. Elephant foot yam. Groundnut. Groundnut. Skirret. Skirret. Maca root. Maca root. Rachio. Rachio. Black salsify. Black salsify. Sugar beet. Sugar beet. Scorzonera. Scorzonera. Icicle radish. Icicle radish. Purple sweet potato. Purple sweet potato. Red radish. Red radish. White carrot. White carrot. Chantenay carrot. Chantenay carrot. Black radish. Black radish. Chinese artichoke. Chinese artichoke. Fingerling potato. Fingerling potato. Golden beet. Golden beet. Purple yam. Purple yam. Japanese sweet potato. Japanese sweet potato. Edo. Edo. Tania. Tania. Moshua. Moshua. Boniato. Boniato. Peruvian parsnip. Peruvian parsnip. Chinese yam. Chinese yam. Yam bean. Yam bean. Mountain yam. Mountain yam. White sweet potato. White sweet potato. Batata. Batata. Thanks for watching around to learn about 50+ root vegetables. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Drop a comment with your favorite root vegetable and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!